फ्रेंड, आज हम आपको बताएंगे कि सर्कल क्या होता है, सेंटर क्या होता है, रेडियस क्या होती है, आर्क क्या होता है, सेगमेंट, सेक्टर, सरकमफेरेंस और सर्कल क्या होता है। देखिए बच्चों, सर्कल क्या होता है वो देखें। सर्कल द कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल द points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in plane is called a circle। देखो, जो सर्कल है वो कलेक्शन ऑफ द पॉइंट्स from a fixed point, from a fixed distance, that is called a circle. So circle is a collection of all the points from a fixed point with from a fixed point or fixed distance. So इसको जब हम मिलाते हैं इन कलेक्शंस को, तो जो सर्कल है इट इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ अ पॉइंट फ्रॉम ए fixed point is called circle। ये आपको सबको पता होगा। then radius is, radius को कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे? the fixed distance is called radius। The fixed distance is called a radius। यहाँ से देखें, the collection of all the point in a plane which at a fixed distance, एक बराबर दूरी से, एक दूरी से, तो ये वाली जो फिक्स दूरी है that is called a radius, that is the radius। These are all are the radius। Okay students, now center हो गया आपका, the fixed point is called a center। the fixed point is called center। now chord, जैसे देखें, see here, P and Q are the 2 points on a circle। So PQ is a chord। PQ is a chord। So chord को आप कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे? The P and Q on a circle, then the line segment PQ is called chord। The longest chord is a diameter। The longest chord is a diameter। The chord which pass through the center, that is called diameter। and diameter is twice than the radius। the diameter is the twice than the radius। next point is that in a circle there are infinite many chords and there are infinite many diameters, For example, this is a circle, this is a chord, 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 chord. You can draw infinite many chords in a circle. How can you say that diameter is twice than the radius? Now, that is the radius. So, diameter is the twice of the radius of a circle. You can draw many more example like that. That is the center. It is a center. ये आपका center है. That is the radius. So diameter is the twice of the radius. Very simple. Arc, the piece of a circle between two points is called an arc. You may say that the piece of the circle that is called arc. That is a circle. You can cut this part so that this part is called arc. The piece of the circle is called the arc. Okay? The piece of the circle is arc. Now PQ is a smaller part, so that is called minor arc, and the larger part, this one is the major arc. You can say that is the major arc, and this one is the minor arc. Okay, next part is our segment. Segment. What is a segment? Segment, the reason between chord and either of its arc is called segment. Okay, the area between, that is a circle, the region between chord and its arc, that is our chord. You can PQ is the our chord, and our chord, and that one is our arc. So that area is called the segment, and this was a minor segment. Minor segment means which have a smaller arc length, that is called the minor arc, minor segment. Now that area is a larger area, so that arc and chord area is called major segment. So segment is that the area between the chord and arc, the area between an arc and chord is called segments. Now sector, the area between radius the area between the radius and arc. These are the radius, the area between the radius and the arc, that is called sector. So the region between an arc and two radii. So these are the two radii, that is the center. The area between the an arc, you can write these PQ arc. So the area between the PQ arc and these two radii is called sector. Now, circumference. Circumference is, you may call, the perimeter. You may be called it perimeter. In, for example, that is the rectangle. So rectangle perimeter is what? 2x plus y. Okay. The outer boundary is called the perimeter. For like that, the circumference, the length of complete circle is called circumference. So circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, means the total length is called 2 pi r, and area of this circle, is pi r square. That is the difference between the length and the area. The total length is called the circumference, and the area, that is the area enclosed in this boundary, that is called the area. So this topic is very important for our 10th, 9th class. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.